Is your Power BI report running slow? Want to identify and fix performance issues? In this video, we'll explore the Performance Analyzer tool in Power BI and how it helps you optimize report performance. Let's dive in. What is Performance Analyzer? The Performance Analyzer in Power BI is a built-in tool that helps diagnose and optimize report performance by tracking how visuals, queries, and DAX calculations execute. Key uses of Performance Analyzer. Number 1. Identifies slow visuals. Detects visuals that take the longest to load. Number 2. Analyze query performance. Measures how long each visual takes to retrieve data. Number 3. Optimize DAX measures. Finds inefficient calculations, slowing down reports. Number 4. Monitor report interactions. Shows the impact of slicers, filters, and interactions. Number 5. Improve data model efficiency. Helps refine relationships, indexing, and aggregations. I hope you understood the uses or Performance Analyzer. Now let's see how to use Performance Analyzer in Power BI Desktop. Step 1. Go to View, click on Performance Analyzer. Step 2. Click Start Recording. Step 3. Interact with visuals to capture their performance. Step 4. Review the time taken by different processes. Step 5. Optimize slow queries, visuals, or DAX measures. Finally, let's explore the best practices for performance optimization. Number 1. Use optimized DAX functions, e.g., SUMX, filter, calculate wisely. Number 2. Reduce the number of visuals on a page. Number 3. Prefer aggregated data over large raw data sets. Number 4. Optimize model relationships and indexing. Number 5. Use import mode instead of direct query where possible. Now that you know how to use Performance Analyzer, start optimizing your reports for better speed and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tips. If you want to learn Power BI from me, click the link in the description and book a free demo class.